Welcome back to Milta Bodrum Marina, one of the most prestigious marinas in Turkey, and holder of the renowned 5 Gold Anchors Award, the highest international industry award of recognition.
For us it's very good because we try to organize some international regattas in Bodrum. So this one will be the first. So we are happy to take them, to be with them. So I hope that this will continue.
This year's 3rd successful edition of the Partisan of Yachting Regatta is largely credited to the venue and of course the sailors who gathered to enjoy the challenging racing on the waters off Bodrum's coast. The final day and teams were concentrated on boat preparation. Today was the last break for teams to find any chinks in their opponent's armour, and it was full on with teams pitched against each other for the final leaderboard assault. The light breeze made every manoeuvre matter. Any mistake would prove costly at this closing stage, with no opportunity to recover. Ultimately, series leader St. Anna didn't cave into pressure. The team looked stylish and composed, scoring 2 more wins to walk away with the title by a 9-point margin. Novik's crew pushed hard, finishing right behind in both races, but it was too little, too late for a podium finish. They had to settle for 4th, with the victory team 1 point behind in 5th. Consistency pays, with bronze medals to the team on Kasatka and silver medal success to Izmir Yelkin. Exceptional racing conditions and 6 days of consistently challenging racing rewarded worthy winners. The award ceremony, the highlight of a very social week, saw teams presented with prizes and awards to applause from their fellow competitors. A week of stunning racing and sportsmanship wrapped up with celebrations that continued long into the night as teams relived an action-packed week.